visited Tosh, a beautiful village in Himachal Pradesh state of India. And all over the place, famed for its hippie culture, Tosh draws a tourist from all over the map and is well suited for solo as well as group excursions. I went with my squad too. And there I listened to the hype of Pinki Didi Cafe. Every local person was shouting for Pinki Didi, and Pinki Didi. And when I went there, what I found? After spending a remarkable day in Tosh, there I also found Pinki Didi.
क्या नाम क्या है? पिंकी दीदी। आपकी बेटी का नाम क्या है?
प्रिया।
आप कितने टाइम से चला रहे हो कैफे?
काफी टाइम हो गया 10-12 साल।
आपको और आप खुद इंडिपेंडेंटली चलाते हो ये? हाँ, so proud of you. Thank you.
A lady who is running the cafe, a solo entrepreneur with 2 kids, who is running the hospitality business in a most luxurious way I've ever seen in a remote place. Meeting Pinki Didi made me realize there are thousands of untold stories and amazing artists, amazing business people. And beyond all, if you have some story to share, we are here to listen. That's a minute today. I'll see you in another episode with another amazing person, another great story, or another great place. And while you take a visit to Tosh, just get the true essence of tranquility. And do not forget to meet Pinki Didi.